The Indian National Mathematical Olympiad from 2023 has this interesting problem where a character, not the mathematician Euclid, has this machine named Cyclos, which basically can draw circles using diameter endpoints and mark intersections of these circles. I'll stop talking so that you can read the problem statement. You can pause the video here if you want. Guys, my first feeling after reading this was, just give our man Euclid a ruler scale. That's all he wants, one ruler scale guys. It's like, एक चुटकी सिंदूर के बदले एक फुटपट्टी की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू. You will see what lengths we have to go to draw this circle without it. So we are given these 2 points A and B, and our goal is to draw the circle centered at A and passing through B, as the question says, but by only using this Cyclos tool. So if somehow we can reflect the point B to B dash, then we can use rule number 2 of Cyclos by drawing the target circle using B, B dash as endpoints of diameter. So let's draw our circle with AB as diameter. If we take just one point C on the semicircle, that will always make triangle ABC right angled. Get ready for magic trick number 1. Instead of one point, take 2 points. Now triangle ACD becomes obtuse, and for an obtuse triangle, the orthocenter marked H lies outside the triangle. Congratulations, we just escaped our circle jail. I'll show you at the end how to find the orthocenter using only Cyclos. For now, let's assume we know how to do it. Interesting thing about this point H is that for triangle ACD, it's the reflection of one vertex of triangle, that is A, about the line passing through the other two vertices CD. Now this fact we'll keep on using over and over again to solve this problem. If we now draw the circle with 3 points A, H, B and mark a point E on it, guess how can we reflect it to get E dash? That's right, by finding the orthocenter of obtuse angled triangle AHE. With E dash, we have now successfully crossed over to the negative x-axis. We reflected not just one E point by drawing the circle passing through AHE dash, but we also got point B dash. Only thing is, this Cyclos tool needs B dash to be marked as a clear intersection point that we can use as endpoints of diameter. No worries, remember how we chose points C and D to form triangle ACD? Just make the y coordinates negative for points C and D to get C dash and D dash and find its orthocenter H dash of the triangle A, C dash, D dash. And just repeating the construction above, we finally have point B dash, coordinate -1, 0 as intersection point of two circles. Now, using B and B dash as endpoints of diameter, we can finally draw the circle. And boom, we solved the problem. The solution looks like a nice rangoli guys. Okay, so now the missing piece of the puzzle. How to find the orthocenter of any triangle using Cyclos. Say we have the obtuse angle triangle ACD same as before. By choosing 2 vertices at a time, out of the 3 as diameter, we can draw 3 circles. Say we draw 2 circles with diameters AD and CD. Of course, D is one intersection point, but the second intersection point is the foot of the perpendicular from point D. Let's call it HD. Similarly, we'll get the other 2 foot of the perpendiculars HA and HC from vertex A and C respectively. You ask, why do we do this? Well, it's because the orthocenter which we want to find lies on the same circle. Watch here. If we draw circles passing through A, HC and HD and another through C, HA and HD, point HD is one intersection point, but the second intersection point is the orthocenter H. And that's how we solved it guys. Music!